This is KOVAL's Cranberry Gin. Our Cranberry Gin is at 30% alcohol by volume, made with all organic cranberries from the Midwest, and it is our answer to European aperitivo culture. Perfect to add to anything sparkling. I'm smelling a party. This is cranberry, and you can tell that there's a gin base, so the juniper is sort of coming up as well into sort of a floral bouquet. You've got the bright and tart cranberry, and you've got all of these sort of the spiciness of the botanicals from the gin, all mixing together with a bit of almost an oranginess. I mean, this is begging for cocktails and bubbles for sure.